Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1964 Chevrolet Impala. It's painted in beautiful white. I would characterize this as a driver quality car. I'm going to start off with opening up the hood and then we're going to walk around it. We'll jump inside and then take it for a test drive. While you're on our website, I want you to go ahead and look at our gallery. You're going to see underside shots of this car. It's extremely solid, fairly original. What we have under here is a 327 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It has a aluminum radiator that's painted black so it matches the theme of the vehicle. There is no rust. Nice and solid hood. If you look inside here, you're going to see that it's extremely clean and the paint flows throughout. The bright work, it's in average to good condition, but shows very, very well. Look at the emblem right here. You've got your dual headlights up front and your chrome bumper, which does have imperfections in pitting, but it is a driver quality car and shows very well. Take a look at this angle and look at the body line. The body lines show well. I would rate this paint a 7 out of 10, and I'd be happy to bring this to a car show and win. You got yourself a set of American Racing wheels, and then you've got your chrome stripe that goes throughout. When I open up the door, take a look at how nice the inner door panel is. So you've got everything has been covered or taken apart before they painted it. It was done right. You've got your rubber grommets here. And then when you look at the door underneath here, this is where they normally rust. Extremely clean. Brand new door panels. You've got yourself a bucket seats with a nice back seat. Let me open it up. And I know you guys are seeing the red carpet, so I'm not going to bring that up. All the chrome on the seats are original, so just bear with the imperfections, but this character for the car. Steering wheel looks great. You've got your tach in the center and your 120 mile an hour speedometer. You can see your shifter in the center as well, along with the SS insignia on the center console. Let me go ahead and open up the trunk. Before I do that, look at how nice the trim work is. Bumpers have imperfections, but they look to be original. And how you can tell that is there's a sticker right here. What does it say? No riders. So I don't know what that's about, but that's interesting. Probably should use the right key. Okay, so my favorite part about this car are the taillights. Extremely clean. There's an imperfection on this one right here. There's a small crack. Right here, this is just a little mark. When I open this up, look at how nice the trunk is. It's very well presented. Solid pan underneath as well. And I don't see any weld marks. That's a common thing you're gonna see on an Impala or a Malibu or a Biscayne. So when I pull this up over here, no weld marks once again. And you got your this is normal. You're gonna always see that. It's clean. All right, to the passenger side. Well, before I do that, look at all the gaskets. They look brand new. It's a really nice car. It's a nice driver. Nice and solid up here as well. I don't see any rust. You use some WD-40 on the hinges, but got your Impala SS insignia here along with your SS. Trim looks great on this side as well. Quarters are nice. They've used filler here, but that's okay. It's a driver quality car. Wheels look great. I'm gonna open up this door. Same thing. They've taken everything out before they painted it, and all the glass in this car is very, very nice. All original. Door panels look great on this section. What do you say we go for a ride? Let's go ahead and start her up. I'm not gonna give it any gas. Usually when you start it, when it's cold, just give it 1 or 2 pumps. No problems at all. It does have a nice carburetor on it. Clutch feels great. So you can pull it out and it goes easily. No chattering. Steering is easy and responsive. Brakes, stop it even, straight. Oh, there's our Dreamboat. Look at that thing. Quad 4 Hundies. Holy moly. I wonder if they'll trade for this Impala. All right, so we're in first. Tachometer is working as it should. Shifting into second. going 35. We're in third right now, nice and smooth. The car just feels great. We're going 45 miles an hour, shifting into fourth, and we're in granny gear. So now, look at the trains, cruise with ease. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the brakes right now. You ready? So I'm pushing the brakes right now, even stopping. Feels really good. Back into second. Over bumps. It's a nice cruiser. I think whoever buys this will enjoy it. They could do whatever they want to it. This is a great starter platform for someone that wants to get into the classic car industry or hobby. If you have any further questions, give us a call. 954-363-2261. And in Espanol, 954, ¿ves? 63 2232. No, wait, 2261.
That was close though.